5 o'clock. Time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Evening Report. Tuesday, August 6, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 o'clock in Norton, Massachusetts. We got a temperature of 78 degrees with a humidity of 36%. Wind speed south about 8 miles per hour. Barometer 3.11 inches. 2.49 degrees and a visibility of 10 miles and a heat index of 78 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. It shows a couple of lovely showers and storms off the southeast Atlantic, southeast of Pennsylvania, stretching into eastern shore of Maryland, down into Delaware, down into the southern Jersey coast. And another batch of showers and storms off the southeast of Virginia coastline, off the northeast and North Carolina coastline. And a couple of showers and storms in southern North Carolina, and the northeast and South Carolina. And a couple of bobber showers from Palm, as always, off the Florida Keys, stretching into the Gulf of Mexico. And a couple of bobber showers and storms in Alabama, stretching into the northeast of Mississippi, stretching out in Tennessee, and southern western Kentucky and south central Kentucky. And a lot of showers and storms from northern Ontario, stretching into northern Minnesota, down into southern Manitoba, and northeastern North Dakota, down in central North Dakota. And I got a batch of showers in southern Saskatchewan, stretching into Alberta, down into eastern British Columbia. And another batch of showers and storms off the four corners from down south Utah, Arizona, down to southern Wyoming, down to Colorado, New Mexico. And a couple of bobber showers in western Texas.
It doesn't matter about the strength of the evidence before the jury even starts talking about it. When you just look at what they have.
And take a look at satellite open. It shows a couple of little lava clouds in the north, Vermont and New Hampshire, and a couple of lava clouds off the Atlantic coast, stretching into southern New Jersey, down southeast of Pennsylvania, stretching out into Delaware, down and off the Virginia, North Carolina coastline here, and a couple of little lava clouds stretching in South Carolina, stretching out in the southeastern states, stretching out into Florida, and stretching up into the Ohio Valley here. And a couple of another patch of clouds in northern Michigan and down in Wisconsin, western eastern UP, Michigan, stretching up into northern Ontario, northern Quebec, stretching south into northern Minnesota, stretching in northern Dakota, eastern North Dakota, and a couple of little clouds in western Minnesota, down to southeastern South Dakota, and a couple of clouds in southern and northern Saskatchewan, and a couple of blob of clouds in western and central Kansas, and a couple of little clouds in western Texas, and a couple of blob of clouds in northern Mexico, down into the Four Corners region of Utah, Colorado, Arizona, Mexico, stretching into eastern Nevada, and a couple of clouds in eastern British Columbia, down to western Alberta, stretching into northern British Columbia, and a couple of little clouds on northwestern California. Alright, tropical depression, Gil.
Raymond in Mass General today. He's charged with grabbing the weapon of a sheriff's deputy last Wednesday during a visit to Mass.
Okay, take a look at the tropic.
Officer was shot in the leg. A second officer shot Wallace in the chest. Dozens of officers.
Movement 9 miles per hour. At 25 degrees, wind speed 35, gusts to 45 miles per hour, and pressure 1,008 millibars.
At 6 on Newsletter 5 tonight.
And Hurricane Henriette. Movement 10 miles per hour, 305 degrees, wind speed 90, gusts to 115 miles per hour, and
more changes coming.
Pressure 91 millibars.
So right, Heather. Look at this. A lot of the suburbs were in the 40s. That included and Taunton.
Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. For tonight, patchy fog after 3 a.m. of Oz. Most coast skies will low 56 degrees. South wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour, becoming common evening. Wednesday, patchy fog before 8 a.m. of Oz. Sunny skies high near 80 degrees. Light southeast wind becoming south 8 to 13 miles per hour in the morning. Wednesday night, most cloud skies with a low and 61 degrees. South wind about 3 to 7 miles per hour. For Thursday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, then showers and likely possible thunderstorm after noon. Some storms produce heavy rain, but some skies about high near 83 degrees. South wind about 7 to 10 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 23 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%, new rainfall amounts between a 10th and 14 inches of amounts possible in thunderstorms. Thursday night, showers likely and possibly in thunderstorms. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog after 1 a.m. of ours. Most of the skies will high. Lower and 69 degrees, south wind about 6 to 8 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 60%. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and half an inch possible. For Friday, showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog before 9 a.m. of ours. Cloudy skies around 80 degrees. Chance of precipitation 60%. New rainfall amounts between a 3/4 and 1 inch possible. For Friday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog after 1 a.m. of ours. Cloudy skies will low and 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday, a chance of showers, patchy skies high 87 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Saturday night, most coast skies low and 62 degrees.
He says he's considering
Sunday, sunny skies high near 83 degrees. Sunday night, most coast skies low and 63 degrees. Monday, most of the sunny skies high near 82 degrees. Monday night, part of the skies low and 62 degrees. And Tuesday, most of the sunny skies high near 81 degrees. Peter's what a phrase of the night. of the evening, a terrific 9 and tap, and another winner on tap tomorrow. But it goes down to the rain category on Thursday. This is PJ Wiggins. Hope you have a good evening with a good positive attitude.